see that here Vedic technique. This I am from Vietnam. Kush and Durgi. It's my full name, and my pen name is Durgi. My YouTube channel Durgi, Facebook Durgi, and Instagram is Durgi. Okay. Every channel is free of cost in all four languages: Marathi, Hindi, English, and Kannada. Okay. Come on here. Take it somewhat up here. Come on, I am giving one Vedic technique here. How to make the squares of numbers like 1, 1, 1. Okay, come on. First example, 1, 1, 1 and 1. It's a square. Then, its square is, here are 4 digits. 4, 1, 1, 1. Then, write down answer up to 4 in a ascending order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear? Now, again, come to the in a descending order up to 1. That is 3, 2, 1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. Another example. Are you getting numbers perfectly? Hello, are you getting numbers clearly? Yes, come on. Here, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. There are 6, 1, 1, 1. And its square. As usual, its answer is, go on writing numbers in a ascending order up to 6. Then again come to back in a descending order up to 1. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now descending. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. Yes. Come on 1 minute. मी क्वेश्चन विचारतो ना माझ्याकडे बघ. एक मिनिट नंतर त्याच्याकडे जरासं मागे थांब. जरासं सर येऊ दे तिकडे व्हिडिओ घेताना. Yes, come on. Question is square of 95. Wow, super. Please loudly.
9025.
Wow, super. Wow, very nice. Okay. Thank you. Please your name and school name and state.
My name is Valpoi from Our Lady of Lourdes High School, Valpoi, Goa.
Very good. Thank you. Okay. Yes, come on. It's on. Okay. On ahead. Okay. 1 minute silence, please. Square of 105.
11,025.
Wow, super. 1 minute. Please repeat loudly.
11,025.
Is he right? Wow, super. Very nice. 11,025. Okay. Thank you. Please your name and class and division.
My name is Sakshi Sandeep Shirodkar. I am from Our Lady of Lourdes High School, Valpoi, Goa.
Wow, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Start now. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Are you getting time here? Yes, okay. Come on. Question is 9 into 9. Yes, 9,000,9 into 9.
81,0,0,81.
Wow, super. Yes, very nice. Please loudly. Yes, come on.
81,0,0,81.
Wow, super. Nice. Please your name and class and division and school and city.
Pratyush Naik, Standard 10th B,
Yes.
Our Lady of Lourdes, Valpoi, Sattari, Goa.
Wow, super. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Next, come on. Yes, come on. Girls, please, come on, be quick. Please. Yes, answer it. Yes, come on, be quick, fast. Yes, come on. Come on. Yes. Yes, please come here. Start. Okay, 1 minute. Question is here, man. Here. Question is double nine. 1 minute. 1 minute. Double 9, 6, 7. 1 minute.
Double six,
Yes.
three,
Double 6.
double three.
Wow, super. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. Okay. Your please name and class and 1 minute.
My name is Sayyid Nawaz. I am from 10th B, Our Lady of Lourdes High School, Valpoi, Sattari, Goa.
Yes, 1 minute. Yes. Okay, thank you. Please your good name.
My name is Omkar Marathi. I am studying in 9th standard.
Please loudly.
I am studying in 9th standard. I am staying in Valpoi, Goa. My school name is Our Lady of Lourdes High School, Valpoi, Goa.
Very good. I am giving question for you now. The question is that it contains 7 ones, means 1 digits of 7, and it's a square. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Loudly, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, super. Very nice. Thank you. Okay, another question. It contains 11 digits of 1, and it's a square. Yes, come on, answer.
1,
1 minute, loudly, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, super. Very nice. It's over. Please your name and class.
Maithili Ramnath Gawas. I am from 9th
Loudly,
standard.
please, loudly.
My name is Maithili Ramnath Gawas. I am from 9th standard from Valpoi, Sattari, Goa.
Yes, thank you. School name?
Our Lady of Lourdes High School.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Sir, how do you feel about these techniques as a math teacher? 1 minute.
It's very good techniques.
Yes, 1 minute, sir.
They are very good techniques.
Yeah, very nice, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, please your name and school name, sir.
My name is Ramchandra Pandurang Sawan.
Yes, sir.
I am BSc there.
Yes.
I am teaching in this Our Lady of Lourdes High School, Valpoi.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, it's now on. Take here. 1 minute. 1 minute, please here. I am giving here, please. Yes, these numbers should be covered. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Focus on me, please. My name is Durgi. It's my pen name, and my full name is Kush Durgi from Belgaum. Okay. I have got my YouTube channel, which is free of cost in 4 languages: Marathi, Hindi, English, and Kannada. Okay. Now I am giving a technique here of 9 series. Okay. Come on. Here. See that here technique, Vedic technique. 9. This is 9 series. There are 3 nines. Into 5, 6, 7. In this process, we apply the Vedic technique that is called 9 series less by 1. Okay, is it clear? Yes, come on. Then now 5 take as it is 5. 6 as it is 6. 7 less by 1. That is 6. Now first part over of the answer. Now second part. Subtract these 3 from 9 here. 3 9. That is 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. This is the answer. Okay. Have you got the idea? beginning. Yes, come on. 9 series. Come on. Question. 9. 9. 9. 9 and 9. There are 5 nines. Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, come on. Now time is yours. Come on. Don't cut. Have you cut? No? Yes, come on. Please. Please come here. Yes. Who want to answer, please? Can you answer commonly? Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. All at once. Okay, in a single sound. All students can answer in a single sound. Come on. Now your answer starts. Yes, come on. Okay, very good. But still slowly you have to answer in a loud voice. Okay, come on. Once again. Wow, super, super. Yes, super. Super. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay.